Effective April 1, 2022. Fully vaccinated. Tourists are once again welcome in Canada. And here's how to avoid problems with criminal inadmissibility at the border. This is the first year since the pandemic that Canada has been entirely open to visitors. In March 2020, Canada implemented travel restrictions on tourists, which were eased in late summer 2021 for individuals who were properly vaccinated. Fully vaccinated tourists do not need to take a COVID-19 test before entering Canada, effective April 1, 2022. This is great news for tourists, as Canada is making it more easier to travel there. One thing to bear in mind, though, is the significance of planning ahead of time if you have a criminal past. Tourists are received by officers from the Canada Border Services Agency, CBSA, when they arrive in Canada. Tourists are screened to verify that they are in compliance with Canadian immigration rules, which includes ensuring that they are eligible to enter Canada. If you have a criminal record, a CBSA officer may consider you inadmissible to Canada and prevent you from entering the country. Citizens of the United States should also be aware that their passport is linked to their FBI criminal history record, which CBSA officials have access to. It's also crucial to realize that Canada desires tourists. As a result, the Canadian government offers a variety of options for you to overcome your criminal record and enter the nation. This is because Canada believes that people can be rehabilitated and that specific offences do not automatically imply that a visitor poses a public safety concern to Canadians. The first option is to obtain a temporary resident permit, TRP. It's a temporary option that you can pursue as long as you can persuade the Canadian government that your criminal record should be expunged for the time being. For those seeking temporary entrance to Canada for business or compassionate reasons, the TRP is usually a better option. Tourists are often advised to pursue the second alternative, known as criminal rehabilitation. Unlike a TRP, asking for criminal rehabilitation can permanently remove your criminal inadmissibility. If your criminal rehabilitation application is approved, your criminal record will no longer restrict you from visiting Canada as long as you do not commit another crime. Before you can qualify for rehabilitation, you must have served at least 5 years of your most recent sentence. The Canadian government will examine the Canadian equivalent of your offence when evaluating your application. As a result, the cost of your criminal rehabilitation application will be determined by the gravity of your offence. The application cost in Canada is $200 for non-severe criminality and $1,000 for serious criminality. You can be considered rehabilitated if it has been at least 10 years since you were convicted of a non-serious felony. In this situation, you may be immediately deemed rehabilitated under Canadian law, and you will not be required to file an application before visiting Canada. However, you should speak with a Canadian immigration lawyer before departing for your vacation to ensure your safety. A lawyer might advise you to seek a legal opinion letter to avoid any misunderstandings with CBSA personnel once you arrive. A third option is to get a legal opinion letter. A Canadian immigration lawyer will write a legal summary of your criminal background and argue why you should be permitted to visit Canada in this document. It may assist CBSA officers in comprehending why your travel should not be stopped. A legal opinion letter is useful in a variety of situations, including 1. Those who have been judged rehabilitated. 2. People who have been charged but not convicted of a crime. This includes people who have received a no prosequi or a postponement of adjudication. 3. People who have been convicted of a crime for which there is no Canadian equivalent. Thanks for watching Telecom Record Entertainment. And please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Then view link in description below.